Let's move on to more news where a massive divide has been witnessed in Karnataka's opposition that has now come to fore. Where former Karnataka Chief Minister and JDS leader H.D. Kumaraswamy backed the centre on the farm bills. H.D. Kumaraswamy has questioned the opposition, mainly the Congress party, asking them how are they against the farmers, the new laws that have been passed. Now, the former Chief Minister also slammed the opposition for misleading the farmers on the new laws.
ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ರೈತ ವಿರೋಧಿ ಆ ರೈತ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಕ್ಷದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ರೈತ ದ್ರೋಹಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾತು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾರಕವಾದಂತಹ ಅಂಶಗಳು ಯಾವುದು? ಪ್ರಾರಂಭಿಕ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ತಂದಾಗ ಹೌದು, ನಾನು ದೇವೇಗೌಡರು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹಿಂಪಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ವಿಧಾನಸಭೆ ಕಲಾಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ ಅಧಿವೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಸಲಹೆಗಳನ್ನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಆ ಸಲಹೆಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೆಲವು ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇವತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನೆಯ ಬಿಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಈ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ತಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು 79A 79B ಇದನ್ನು ಕೈ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಜನಗಳನ್ನು ದಾರಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಸೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ತರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಸಲಹೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಅವತ್ತು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನನ್ನ ಸಲಹೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸಿ, ನಾವೇನು ವಿರೋಧ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ ತರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಾಗ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಮಾರ್ಪಾಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
All right, we have Sagyaraj reporting live on this because Sagyaraj, just help us understand the change in stand, because while this bill was initially opposed both by the Congress and the JDS, now H.D. Kumaraswamy-led party extended the support to the legislation that was tabled in the assembly. Can you help us understand what exactly led to this stand shift that has happened now?
See, if you notice the kind of activities which is happening within the JDS party from past few months clearly shows that the party is tilted towards the ruling party here in the state, especially during the assembly session, when you have noticed that they had initially opposed the controversial land reform bill, and later on they backed that bill and it was passed in assembly, and later on it was in the council, and BJP had less number in the council. Yesterday when the bill was presented, in fact in the morning, the same JDS leader had protested against central government on a farm bill, and the state president H.K. Kumaraswamy had said that they will not allow the bill to be passed without the council. But in the evening, everything changed. They had backed BJP. They had helped BJP to pass the bill, and now it is a law. H.D. Kumaraswamy has justified, stating that he had given few suggestions in the previous assembly session, and the BJP government have taken those suggestions and made amendments in all those bill, and that is the reason they have backed this particular bill. And he calls that the BJP bill or BJP law which has passed on land reform is not anti-farmer. He has gone through that, and unnecessarily the opposition party is trying to mislead. The opposition is alleging that the BJP and JDS are hand in glove, and they call JDS as a B team. Remember, this is not the first time they are calling JDS as a B team. Even in the elections, they had termed this particular term against JDS, stating that whenever you try to cast a vote to JDS, it is going by default to BJP. But end of the day, it was the Congress and JDS.
All right, stay on with us, Sagyaraj.